Many of these Chinese motorcycles have built their technology on the foundations of other, more established brands. And indeed, most of the time, they don't go to great lengths to hide this fact. Even so, relatively modern package technology at super low prices tends to be a recipe for success, especially in the entry-level market. With that said, is it really surprising that a brand like Qjmotor thrives? Talking about Qjmotor, the Chinese manufacturer is expected to unveil another new model in the next few months, catering to Europe's fast-growing adventure bike scene. The Qjmotor Srt 700 and 700X are expected to take the mid-range ADV segment by storm, especially now, with the entry of new models from established brands such as Honda and Suzuki. As you might expect, the Srt 700 isn't quite as good in terms of performance when compared to the Transalp or v-strom, but it certainly makes up for it in terms of price, €6,999. In terms of performance, the new Qj Enduro Adventurer is equipped with a 698cc, liquid-cooled, fuel-injected, parallel twin engine. With a 64.5mm stroke and 83mm bore, we can expect this factory to be quite a powerful bike, producing up to 73.5 horsepower at 8,000 revolutions per minute, and 47 pound-feet of torque at 6,000 revolutions per minute. Good news for new riders with an A2 license, bikes can be limited to 35 kilowatts 47 horsepower.